In our A-level mathematics today, we are going to be learning about real numbers. Part A. Our real numbers is divided into three sections. We have the aspect that talks about inequalities, the aspect that talks about polynomial, and the aspect that talks about partial fraction. But for this aspect, we are going to be dealing with inequality. Going to the course outline. In our course outline, we are going to be learning about inequalities and their symbols. We are going to be learning about the usage of inequality symbols, likewise inequalities with one variable, inequalities with number line, inequalities involving fraction, inequalities involving quadratic equation, and absolute value. So before we dive into the class, my name is the Ambassador and you are welcome to my class. Starting with the very first thing we have, which is the intro to inequalities. Intro to inequalities. At first, the word inequalities means what? The word inequalities means what? It means to compare, from the word comparison. That's the meaning of the word inequalities. It means to compare two things or a variable with a number. So we are going to learn some symbols we have in inequalities, which are, let's look at the inequalities and their symbols. There are majorly four kinds of symbols in inequality you will need to know. The first one is referred to as a greater than, the other one is referred to as less than, then we have what we call the greater than or equal to, and the less than or equal to. And sometimes we usually have not equals to, but majorly we have these four. So let's see how we can use our greater than, how we can use our less than, likewise how we can use greater than or equals to, likewise how we can use less than or equals to. How do we use them?